welcome back to the Saldanha airstrip. You join me, Cherokee, and Ashley Oldfield in another drag race.
You may have watched our drag race where the Alfa Romeo Stelvio lost to the BMW X4M. So Fiat, Chrysler, Jeep said we may have an SUV that can beat your X4M. So I am now in this, the Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk.
I am in the BMW X4M, but today I'm taking on the world's most powerful SUV. And I don't think it's going to go well. I have this feeling. I don't think today is my day.
So I've done a few launches in this already, and I can tell you that the launch mode is junk. It doesn't do anything. It doesn't hold on the brakes. It just jumps off the line. So, according to many forums on the internet, the best way to launch this car is to put it in track mode and then just hold it on the brakes and drive.
So let me take you through the stats here. X4M, 375 kilowatts, 600 newton meters from its straight 6 turbo. Grand Cherokee Trackhawk, 6.2 liter V8, supercharged, 522 kilowatts, 870 newton meters of torque. That thing is a monster. So we're using Draggy's technology for all today's race analytics, running the app right now on my phone. We found it to be really good in the last race, so we'll share a lot of those stats with you once I lose. All right, here we go, Ash. Hope you're ready.
5.
Here we go.
4,
Germany versus America.
2, 1, go.
Oh, that's a good start from the Jeep. Oh, he got a bit of a jump on me.
Jeep is off the line.
Yeah, it's just that Jeep is fast. He's got about half a car length on me. Holding him a little bit though. I don't know if I'm going to catch him.
I'm going to beat this guy. I'm literally just going to beat him.
That is ridiculous. Okay, in the interest of fairness, we've swapped cars. I've jumped into the Jeep. We've worked out that the Jeep actually launches faster without launch control. The Draggy we're using has confirmed that it'll do 0 to 100 under 4 seconds every time if you don't use launch control.
I suspect this race isn't going to go exactly how you think it might. This BMW is properly quick.
3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah, they got a bit of a jump on him. It's super close though.
And we're off. Oh, Jeep gets me.
He's just next to me. Look how close this is.
I'm coming back. I am coming back.
How is he coming back? Come on.
Come on. I cannot believe that.
How does Ash get that out of that Beamer?
522 kilowatts, and I came back with only 375.
Come on, what the f? Ash, are you finding like extra like throttle travel there?
Yeah, so I don't know if you noticed in this BMW, but there's like a whole extra pedal for the rest of the throttle. It's a 2-pedal throttle system.
Did you know that we also sell really awesome car-themed merchandise? Check out our range of custom t-shirts and prints at our online store now. Simply click on the square box on your screen and we'll take you there, or the link is in the description below. Thanks for watching.